You're welcome to online lectures with Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy. Today, we'll take a look at pharmaceutical chemistry. And we have a question taken from Pharmaceutical Calculations by Howard C. Ansel, 14th edition. The question is taken from Chapter 11, Isotonic and Buffer Solutions. Page 189, Practice Problems 1. Alright, let me write out the question on the board. So we'll take it off from there. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so the question says, isotonic sodium chloride solution contains 0.9% weight in volume sodium chloride. Full stop. If the E value of boric acid is 0.52, calculate the percentage strength, weight in volume, of an isotonic solution of boric acid. Okay, look at this question. 0.9% weight in volume of sodium chloride is isotonic. Remember, by 0.9 we mean 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml solution is isotonic. That's the meaning. Now, but the E value of boric acid is 0.52. What is E value? If E value of boric acid is 0.52. What it means is that 1 gram of boric acid has the same tonic effect with 0.52 gram of what? Sodium chloride. That's the meaning. This E value means sodium chloride equivalent. That means 1 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.52 gram of sodium chloride in terms of tonicity. So, if 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml is isotonic, if you want to know the amount of boric acid in 100 ml that will be isotonic, we simply use this sodium chloride equivalent of boric acid to convert this 0.9 gram of sodium chloride to boric acid. That will give us the amount of boric acid that will be isotonic in 100 ml solution. That's what we need to do. All right, let's get down to business. So here, solution. Let's start from here. Solution. Here we know that by this thing now, this one is isotonic. 0.9% weight volume sodium chloride is what? Isotonic. So if it is isotonic, we break this thing down to the actual mean. This means 0.9 gram of what? Sodium chloride in what? 100 ml what? Solution. So 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml solution is what? Isotonic. Now, but we are told what is percentage of boric acid that will be isotonic. So that means this percentage means a specific amount of boric acid in the same 100 ml. So everything is in the same 100 ml. So for boric acid, we have X boric acid in what? 100 ml is what? Isotonic. So if 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml isotonic, S gram of boric acid in 100 ml should also be what? Isotonic. What is that S gram in boric acid? The only thing we can do, what is that S gram of boric acid in 100 ml that will be isotonic? In this case now, the only thing we can do here, we simply do what? Use the sodium chloride equivalent of boric acid, which is 0.52, to convert this sodium chloride to boric acid. It will give us what this S means. So we use this to convert sodium chloride, this 0.9 gram of sodium chloride, to boric acid. It will give us the meaning of the value of this X. So let's do it. From the definition of E value, which is sodium chloride equivalent, if the E value of boric acid is 0.52, what it means is that 1 gram of boric acid have the same tonicity, or is equivalent to 0.52 gram of sodium chloride. Remember, all is in 100 ml. So that means 1 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.52 gram. So take it mathematically, simply say that 1 gram is equivalent to what? 0.52 gram. But we know the weight of sodium chloride that will be isotonic in 100, which is 0.9. So if 1 gram of boric acid is equivalent to 0.52 gram of sodium chloride in terms of tonicity, that means this X of boric acid should be boric acid should be equivalent to 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in terms of what? Tonicity. So we find this X. If we cross multiply, this X will now give us what? 1 gram times 0.9 gram all over what? 0.52 gram. 1 gram will cancel 1 gram. If we cancel out, you get something, we get 1.73 gram. So X is 1.73 gram. So this X is the amount, has the same, this 1.73 gram of boric acid have the same tonic effect as 1 gram of what? as 0.9 gram of what? Sodium chloride. So that means 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml is isotonic. So 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml solution is what? Isotonic. So 1.73 gram of boric acid in 100 ml solution is isotonic. So to move this 1.73 gram in 100 ml in percentage form, you get 1.73% weight in volume because it's in 100. So in percentage, it will go 1.73% weight in volume. So 1.73% weight in volume solution, a solution of boric acid that have concentration of 1.73% weight in volume is isotonic. That's the meaning. So the answer is what? 1.73% weight in volume. Okay, we've come to the end of this question. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask your question. Send us chats on YouTube section, on the comment section of this channel. We have 2 minutes to do that. All right. So while we wait for questions, I want to make an announcement, please. Please feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp after this class if you have any question. Drop your questions on through these WhatsApp lines 081 3868 2003 07012945891. Please, if you like these lectures, please share with your friends, share with your colleagues, share with your children, share with your students. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. Subscribe to my YouTube and Facebook channel. My YouTube channel is PHARMACEUTICAL the Schoolboy. Subscribe, just click on the red button and click on the bell-like notification so that whenever I will go online, we go live, you will be notified. Or whenever we post any video, you will also be notified. Also, follow me on Facebook. Like my page on Facebook. My Facebook page name is PHARMACEUTICAL the Schoolboy. Follow me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn name is PHARMACEUTICAL the Schoolboy. On Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, my username is @PHARMACEUTICAL83. On AudioMark, please follow me on AudioMark. My username is PHARMACEUTICAL @PHARMACEUTICAL all small letter @PHARMACEUTICAL-the-schoolboy. Every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m., I organize academic competition. I tagged academic battle with PHARMACEUTICAL the Schoolboy. There are a lot of prizes to be won in this academic competition, and the registration is free of charge. We depend on donation from well-meaning people with interest in academics, in education. So if you are interested, please, you can also make your donation. Chat me up and I'll forward you the account details for the donation. Any amount is okay, no amount is too small. The intention is to help our youth develop academic interest, develop interest in academic. Education is the foundation of any nation. Ask questions, you understand? So please participate in this. The flyers are all over the social media, all my social media platform. The flyers are there. Even in this YouTube, go to the community section. You will see the flyer. The competition coming up this Saturday, this December 9th, 2023, is Pharmacology Battle 2.0. Please share this with your friends. They may be interested in the competition. While we are still waiting for questions, please like my videos, comment on them, and God will bless you as you do so. Our 2 minutes have elapsed, and no questions. So in the absence of any question, we end this class here. See you next time. Please stay tuned. Every day, 2 a.m. Just map out 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. every day and come on YouTube. You must surely see us dishing out problems, solutions to problems from different questions. 2 a.m. we are live. 2 a.m. target 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Be live on YouTube. Even if you don't wake up on time, no problem. Anytime you wake up, so far is between 2 and 5. We are there. God bless you once more. See you next time.